You've decided to take action in your marriage because it isn't working out as you'd hoped. Should you file for legal separation or divorce? The main difference is in the permanence of your decision. In this video, I'll break down the key differences between these two options. Hey, it's Raymond Heckmat here to help you get real simple answers on prenups, marriage, and divorce law. I help people find success through crucial times in their lives to foster healthy families and healthy communities. Stay updated on my videos by hitting that subscribe button. The info and links we cover in this video are listed in the description below. When you get a legal separation, you go through the same process as a divorce in dividing assets and even resolving issues of spousal or child support, but you remain legally married in the eyes of the law. However, when you're divorced, your decision to end the marriage is final, and you officially become single. But what do you need to consider to choose one over the other? And what are the requirements for each option in California? Let's dive right in and find out. What is legal separation? California is one of the states that allow married couples to legally separate. A legal separation is a court order where you and your partner live apart and separate while remaining legally married. This option allows you to create financial boundaries, determine who is responsible for assets and debts, and detail child custody and support rules without the permanence of divorce. California requirements for legal separation. To file for legal separation in California, either you or your partner must be a legal resident in the state. Because California is a no-fault state, you actually don't need a specific reason to point out what your partner did wrong. You simply need to meet the residency requirements and request a legal separation. Reasons to choose legal separation over divorce. Legal separation can be used as a trial run if you aren't sure about completely dissolving your marriage and foregoing the benefits associated with it. You may choose to ask a judge for a legal separation instead of a divorce for the following reasons. You aren't sure about completely dissolving your marriage, but want to live apart. You aren't sure about completely dissolving your marriage, but want to clearly define financial, property, and co-parenting matters. Your religion or personal beliefs prohibit divorce. You haven't met the residency requirements to file for divorce, but you want to start the process of legally separating. You want to retain certain benefits of marriage, such as staying on your partner's health insurance plan, receiving tax benefits, or receiving government benefits like Social Security. What is divorce? A divorce or dissolution of marriage is a permanent end to your marriage. Your options include either mediation or litigation. You should check out the major differences and benefits to each method in my video comparison of litigation versus mediation. Unlike a legal separation, you become officially single, meaning you can get remarried once you're divorced. As part of the divorce, you and your ex come to an agreement or ask a judge to order how money, assets, debts, custody, and support issues are to be handled. California requirements for divorce. Unlike a legal separation, California has residency requirements before you can file for divorce. Either you or your spouse must have lived in California for at least 6 months. Plus, the same person must have lived in the filing county for at least the last 3 months. If you or your partner cannot meet these residency requirements, you can opt for a legal separation, then amend your petition to request the divorce after the appropriate amount of time has passed. One exception to the residency rule is with regard to same-sex couples. If you originally got married in California, but currently live in a state that won't allow you to dissolve your marriage, you can still file for divorce in California. Reasons to choose divorce over legal separation. Though legal separation goes through many of the same motions as divorce, the key difference is that divorce is a final end to your marriage. Yes, this means that you would officially be single and can remarry. But remember, this also means you can no longer benefit from the advantages of being married, such as using your spouse's health care plan or filing joint tax returns. Both legal separation and divorce have their advantages, so their nuances are important to recognize and understand when making this major life choice. Before you make a decision, keep in mind these two mantras. 1. you can have an amicable separation and a peaceful divorce, so you don't have to be emotionally and financially drained from this process. And 2, write down your goals for your life during these times. You still have the ability to make strides in a positive direction, no matter whether you're separating or ending your marriage. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help here, or if you need to ask privately, visit heckmatfamilylaw.com and book a free consultation with me to dive deeper one-on-one. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified of new videos. See you soon.